Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Bayesian Networks and Probabilistic Reasoning. Imagine you're flipping a coin. The probability of getting heads is 50%, or 0.5. Probability tells us how likely something is to happen. In AI, we use probabilities to deal with uncertainty, situations where we don't know the exact outcome, but can estimate the likelihood of different possibilities. Think of it like building a program that handles guesses, rather than certainties. A Bayesian network is like a flowchart of probabilities. It shows how different things are related and how the probability of one thing changes based on what we know about other things. Think of it as a visual representation of how probabilities influence each other, like a family tree but for probabilities. Nodes represent variables, like it's raining, true, false, or the grass is wet, true, false. Edges show how these variables depend on each other. An edge from it's raining to the grass is wet means that rain influences whether the grass is wet. You can think of these nodes and edges as variables and their relationships in your code. Conditional probability is the probability of something happening given that something else has already happened. For example, the probability of the grass being wet given that it's raining is higher than the probability of the grass being wet if it's not raining. We represent this relationship using numbers in our Bayesian network. Imagine building a spam filter. We could have nodes for things like contains the word free, true, false, sent from an unknown address, true, false, and is spam, true, false. The edges would show how these factors influence whether an email is likely to be spam. We'd assign probabilities to reflect how strongly each factor contributes to spam detection. Once we have our network built, we can use it to make predictions. For example, if we know an email contains the word free and is from an unknown address, we can use the network to calculate the probability that it's spam. This is inference, and it's like running a calculation in your code. Bayesian networks are used everywhere, in medical diagnosis, predicting diseases based on symptoms, troubleshooting, figuring out the source of a problem in a system, and many more areas of AI and machine learning. They are a powerful tool for representing uncertainty and making intelligent predictions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.